Hey there, sit here with another trade recap, and what a day today was. It was amazing, fantastic, whatever you call. So, today I took three trades, which is kind of unusual for me. Usually, I stick to the rule and take only one day trade, whether it's a win or loss, doesn't matter. But today was exception. Today, market was little bit hot early in the morning, and in the pre-market hours INDP was trading up quite high. I mean, I charted out my all my trades over here on trading view, but even without that, as you can see here, it started squeezing up right when that news broke out. And the news was Indeptus therapeutic stock nearly triples on heavy volume after allowance for patent of platform technology. So that was the news. It was kind of like a good news, and it squeezed up from the $7 to $12. Then it started trading sideways, or you can say a little bit downward, and then it popped up again. And right when the market opened, it squeezed even higher and went into the halt, and that caught my attention. So I was keeping an eye on it, and I was waiting for it to continue that momentum. Right after the halt, it squeezed up even higher and came and it flushed down. And on this red candle, I got filled in for 300 shares at 1386. Now that was a bad move. Why? Because it formed another red candle, then green candle, and then it popped up even higher. Now in between these three candles, my losses was somewhere around $200. And when I saw that, like, I was scared and I was nervous, and I was just hoping to get out of the trade green. Even though, I saw the strong momentum earlier, and even in the pre-market, I was not sure like whether it's going to hold up that momentum or not. So well, on this big green candle, I sold all 300 shares for 1407, and on this trade I made around $86. Now after that, I said like, okay, let's close the trading for the day. I'm done for the day. I use my one day trade, and I don't care like if the stock squeezed up even higher or not. But then again, I kept this chart on my other laptop, and it was just keep forming. It was just keep ripping up higher and higher, and then I couldn't hold myself. Got into the trade again. On this squeeze, I bought 500 shares at 1655 and sold it for 1695, and that was a right move, because if you can see here, I guess on this candle it went into the halt, and after that it flushed down a little bit. So that was kind of like a scary move, but fortunately I closed my trade before that. And in this two trade I earned $279. These are my trades, these are my actual trades. So as you can see here, I made $279.98. You can call it as a $280 profit. Now the next trade that I took is I started something new with. Okay, I opened a new cash account with Tdameritrade, and I decided to do that because keeping the money in the bank is just like nothing. They just give you almost nothing. for keeping your money is just waste of that capital, so I decided to invest into trading. And the third trade that I took on INDP is on this flush. So when it flushed, I immediately bought 100 shares at 1908 and sold everything at 1970. And even after that, it squeezed up even higher and went to almost $29. But if you can see here, right after that high, it's just sold off and it continues that selling throughout the remaining market hours. So I made on this third trade, I made almost $68. Let me show you that trade. So this is my cash account, and as you can see here, I bought 100 shares and made around like $60 to $98 profit. So it is showing as a how 101 because I was just testing. I just bought one share and sold it before buying 100 shares. So that's what it is. And if you see here, filled orders. Yep, there you go. Bought one shares at 1946, sold it at 20, then bought 100 shares at 1906 and sold everything at 1970. So those were my trades. Made a good chunk of profit, I would say. Let me see exactly how much I made. I'm rounding off all the figures because they are very close to there are very few cents differences here and there, so it's better to get the whole value. So today I earned $343 on INDP with three trades. Before going, I just want to say, like, trading is risky. If you don't know what you are doing, then definitely you will lose money. Before trading with your real money, just spend your time with simulated trading, learn everything, build your strategy, and then put your real money on the line. If you are not sure about anything, just consult with your financial advisor and start from there. And that being said, thank you for watching, and hopefully we will see this momentum continues throughout the remaining days of this week, that is Thursday and Friday. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good night and see you again in next trade recap. Thank you and bye.